Welcome to PL Staffing's computer-based clock-in tutorial. This video will show you how to clock or meal in and out during your workday using a computer. From your computer, go to any internet browser. In the search bar, type in the address that you see on the screen to reach the login page. Once you reach the Advanced Partners login page, input your client ID, which will always be PLS. Your login will be your first initial, then last name, and your password will be your first initial, last name, and the number 1. Remember to check the boxes that say Remember Client ID and Remember Login ID for easy access in the future. We recommend that you change your password after your first login to prevent anyone else from accessing your account. Once you log in, you will see 5 icons under the timestamp. At the beginning of your shift, click the first green stamp that says Clock In. Remember to click Save when clocking in. When you need to take a meal break, select the second green stamp to begin meal. To end your meal break, select the third red stamp to end meal. Lastly, when it's time for you to clock out at the end of your shift, select the last red stamp to clock out. Remember to click Save when clocking in. If you have any trouble using this system like any of the problems shown below, please email info@pl-cs.com and describe your issue in detail. Allow 24 to 48 hours to receive a response. Remember, email info@pl-cs.com. Welcome to the PL Staffing family, and thanks in advance for a job well done.